Okay, so this is actually a test upload which I'm testing to see how much amplified my voice is on being recorded and on in the um, basic screens, basic speakers without being amplified by external speakers. So it's just a test video. Let's hear some typing into it. Let's watch my RAM. Okay, it's a lot of stuff. Let's do something. Sorry. Sudo. Sorry. Yeah, sudo dash. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, so actually I'm going to type something, but I realized that some personal information would be disclosed. Some personal information would be disclosed when typing it. So I'm just ignoring whatever I was going to type, and let's just exit out from this thing. Sorry. Okay, let's see. The fuck, I forgot the commands. Okay, so I think it's quit. No, it's not quit. Okay, let's just Control D. Oh, it was just exit. So and exit would do it. Like good. So that's up. That was a video. There was nothing in it. Just testing the quality of the sound that would be recorded. That's all. Okay. Probably this won't be bad. So see you later. See you later, man. See you later. Okay.